Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Dead Man Gold and Silver. In this video, I'm just going to go over real quick. I went through the Eagles, sorted them out, and I can give you a grand total of what I have of each here. So, as it looks like I have 5 tubes of 2020 American Silver Eagles, 1 tube of 2019s, 1 tube of 2017s, and we have 5 tubes of 2016s. And we have a tube of 15s, 2 tubes of 2014s, a tube of 13s, 2 tubes of 2011s, a tube of 10s, and a tube of 9s. And then the rest, the last 5, were all kinds of mixed dates. 87, no 86s in here. 87 is, there's 187. There was 1 or 2 1990s, 91s. Yeah. Couple of, I think, 88s. It just wasn't, like I said, it just wasn't enough to make a full tube of, and there was definitely like 2013s, 15s, not 15s. Yeah, but anyways. So there it is, guys. There is the finished monster box. And we will make it all official here. And there it is. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see what's in store here next. All right, see you guys on the next one.